Hello traders, Pedro Souza here. I am a pro harmonic trader, and today we're going to be talking about channel resistance and support. In this video we're looking at the 1 hour time frame, and we have a channel, two trend lines where price has been trading inside it first, and then after it broke out it started using the upper trend line as a support. Here you can see the channel and the instances where price is bouncing off this line after the breakout. These patterns, such as channels, are very useful in placing relatively low risk trades. Here we're looking at a possible breakout, this time to the downside. Let's say for a sake of example that you have placed your short higher, and now you want to calculate where potentially can you take profit. There's a few tools at your disposal to do that. Here you can see I've just loaded a higher time frame where you can see this price action and the swings that we're going to be using to estimate where price might go next. You see two harmonic swings to the downside. There's also the daily support 1 pivot. And over there you can see also a level that was previous resistance turn support. Will it work as support now? We don't know beforehand, but you do know that this level has worked previously, and now there's a potential bounce, even if price is going to break down due to the harmonic swing completion and the previous resistance that you can see on the left. It's likely that price will bounce off the line, even if just slightly, before continuing down. If you were targeting, you're looking for a target for your profit, then these two harmonic swings will be ideal. You could take potentially some of your profit here. It's it's a big move. It's gold. We're talking about hundreds of pips. So this would have been a very good place to take some of the profit. Now, in case we break out this level, that would tell me that price is going to test the lower border of this upper channel. You can see the bounce is happening. That's normal. You could try these bounces as well, scalping short-term trade, perfectly fine, using a smaller time frame. But with this kind of momentum, you're really looking at a short-term trade only. A few hours later, you can see what happened. We had the bounce, and then few hours later, price actually broke down that support that was previous resistance, and now it's challenging the lower border of the upswing channel and doubled the harmonic swing. You can see I've marked in those green the swings. There's 3 of them now. Usually when price breaks the first one, it means that we will probably get a third one. For the harmony, that is the harmony of the market. It does happen most times. Price hasn't still reached the target. That you can see this last harmonic swing. Now it's very close to being tested, and also a bounce from here is quite common. So you could also scalp from here and try to get a bounce off this line. You can look left, you see this line has worked for a while. This channel has been quite reliable. So bounce from there with a tight stop. You really want to trade these bounces with a tight stop, especially if you're trading gold. Gold can be quite volatile and can move quite fast as well. Bounce has happened, a little bounce from this area, and then after that price breaks down. If you were going to look at the daily chart, well, I can tell you, we're not going to get into that now, but price is approaching the 50% level also on the daily. But for today, I wanted to show you the workings of patterns such as the channel. And the other thing you can start looking as well when price start reaching these levels is the candlestick pattern formation. You can see here on the 30-minute chart, there's a bullish engulfing. If you dial down to the 15-minute, you see a morning star candlestick pattern as well. Here you can see bullish engulfing. Now, this is all I had for you for today. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something with it. And I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.